Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Quotex account. If you want to log in or sign into your Quotex account, then here is how you can easily do it. First, open a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in qfbroker.com and press enter. You'll then find yourself in the official site for Quotex. Click the login button for existing accounts at the top right hand corner. In the sign in page, make sure that you are inside the login tab. Go to the first box and type in your email associated with your Quotex account. Once you are done, head over to the password field and type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, make sure to click on this forgot your password link and follow through the password reset process. If you remember your password, you can type it in without worry in the text box. After you do that, if you want the system to remember your credential, check this remember me box. But if you don't want to do that, leave the box unchecked and click sign in. You can also sign in via your Facebook account or Google account. After clicking on the sign in button, you should be able to log into Quotex account within a second. That is how you can easily log into Quotex with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye. Till then.